Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Ultimate Admiral Dreadnoughts Italian campaign, where, with the aid of light cruisers, we are trying to take over the world. It is September 1923 already, and we are slow as hell, but Spain is about to fall. Hurrah! We are building 21 new ships. We have 123 ships in total. Around 100 of them are severely outdated. And once this war is over, hopefully before too long, I will rebuild half my fleet, essentially. Besides that, I'm desperately trying right now to keep France and Russia off my back. And that is working quite nicely. They are a bit grumpy with me, and I don't want to get into a war with France. Bad memories. They generally tend to take southern Spain rather quickly from me, so I rather not. At least not for the time being. As such, the game begins. Well, let's see. A Barry and a Barry. That means we can auto-resolve this one. The loss of those ships, it does not concern me anymore. If they die, they die. Iwuhu and a Liguria. Alright, done and done. 68%, looking good. 2 new ships, please, for the fleet. Ooh. No, 33 knots, 30 knots. I'm looking. Woohoo. Woohoo. Wow. That was actually better than expected. Thought I would lose half my fleet there. Angola has been taken by the French. %, looking good. Looking good. There is no need to rush things, to do things. We got this under control, people. And as you can see, my shipbuilding, it's going nicely as well. Deploying a large fleet in Livorno, but from here on out I'm going to deploy ships all over the place. Because all ports need some ships at least. Spain conquered by Italy. That never happened in history before. Fun times, fun times. A submarine sunk. Ooh, some weight things. That is useful. New stereoscopic rangefinder. Ooh. Armed transports. And holy France, what are you doing? A lot of colonies are being claimed right now, here, there, and everywhere. 51%. Nothing else is happening. Research. 5-inch guns, Mark IVs. Well, let's focus on the small guns. Not necessarily for the 5-inchers, but to quickly get to the bigger guns. 6-inch, 7-inch. France is scrapping ships made in 1918. So yeah, they're essentially scrapping ships of the same age as I am. Here, woohoo, 25 knots. Oh, the transports will be faster, well, almost. However, next turn may be the end. Let's send in whatever reserves we have. This may be the end for Spain. That would be fun. And very expensive, because we're plus 50 million. If we kill Spain, we are dropping down to what? Minus 200? Will we get Spain? Oh, this is tense. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's a low chance, though. But over 50%, so I'm taking it. I'm taking it! We did it! Spain is ours. We need no battleships, sir. No, sir. We do not. I don't think Spain has any more colonies remaining. At least not here that I can see. Not in this part of the world either. Mental note, I do have some ships here. They're like the only ships not in service right now. Yeah. I think we're done. We are done. We can start moving some ships back to ports. And prepare to be scrapped. You may drop into Bilbao. You may go to Barcelona. This is pretty awesome. I like this. I like this. Plus 200 million right now. Let's see what happens next turn. Plus 300 million, minus 300 million. Yeah, that's what I thought. Netherlands. Yeah, sure, you may have that one. Currently sending all my ships to ports. Malaga will do. If oh no, I just sold the wrong ship. How? Oh well, can't be helped. Sold is sold. Do we? Yeah, we're out of crew. Whoops. Alright. That'll change next turn. But I am gonna do it in one go. But for now, set you to limited. Losing only 200 million now. Losing only 100 million now. Wow, that goes fast. That goes really fast. Losing what? Only 1 million now? Huh. No way. Nope, you're not getting that one, mate. Nice try, though. Nice try. And it seems my fleet is back home. Plus 170 million. Finances. We're gaining plus 7%. That is not bad. Right. It is time. Sort by class. And The woohoos. Hold on, I gotta check something though. 1,000 crew members. Okay. If I scrap you like that. Okay, yeah, the crew members are returned. I just wanted to make sure. Nibios. 6.6-inch guns. Yeah, no. Let's get rid of you. Scrap them. So that is the woohoos gone. That is the Nibios gone. We have a very old Cleveland lying around somewhere. There. The marble hat. Let's scrap you immediately. Some unupgraded Capitanis. They go first. Don't want to sell off the entire fleet in a single turn. Then again, let's build 12 more cruisers, please. Then again, why not? Let's take the risk. Essentially, all ships except Geo and Fulminante will be removed from service. Let's start off with these girls. Scrap. Calamaris. Capitano. Carlo. We are gonna scrap so many ships. Up to there. Scrap. Fulminantes. Guisino. Ah, we still have some Ligurdias lying around. And Giottos. Giottos are slow, but they are of the better... Yeah, no, they're slow, man. They're slow. No. No. I'm gonna keep the Giottos. Scrap these, though. So, instead of 100 ships, I'm down to 33. This is gonna be scary. However, say goodbye to all these designs. Capitani. That was a fun ship. She was very reliable. The Atari. Let's delete the design. My God, sir. 1910 hull. Same with the Barrys. They lasted a long time. They were good ships. But now I got better ones. The Carlos. Yeah, they're... Let's get rid of them. Giottos. I got 3 ship classes remaining now, right? Yeah. And we're mostly building Fulmies. Can I build more ships? Yes, I can. Let's build 6. We can get away with another 6, I think. Yeah. Let's get a new dockyard. Building 36 ships. Because now the question is, can we quickly improve our fleet? Can we quickly get new ships up and running? before any nasty war comes upon us. I think that should be doable. Otherwise, I am in a lot of trouble. Because there is no way I can defend anything right now. My growth is 7.8% still. Alright, new cruisers coming off the line. Keep improving. Small guns coming up. That is the 4-inch Mark IV. Not quite what I'm after. My fleet is back up to 37 ships. Considering I had 125 2 turns ago. This is a first for me. In all these years, this is the first time I said, like, let's scrap the entire fleet. I've never done that before. We're breaking boundaries here, people. And honestly, I did need the new cruisers. 30-knot cruisers. It's 1924, they're just too slow. 36 is on the slow side as well, I think. Ooh, France, improve relations. Please, 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 please. I am not ready for a war. No, we're slowly getting our fleet up and running. That is good. Essentially every 2 turns, we're getting some ships added. Don't need the unrest reduction. And I really want my naval capacity right now, because I'm pumping out ships like crazy. And we can barely keep up economically. But we're back up to 41 ships. I'd say it's going fast, but then I'd lie. But we are improving. 2 Enterprise class. Daring. That is useful. Back to the ship design. Give me more. 9, 8. Yeah, let's sort by status. Does that? No. Minus 26 million. Plus 4 million. Mind you though, if all these ships are done, we're back up to 80 ships already. So that is going fast. Plenty of crew members, but we're not getting a lot extra right now. Economical growth is still fine. Let's get back in the positives. Yeah, we're up to 80 ships when all of this is done. Ooh, France, France, France. What have I ever done to you? Gonna have to spend some money there, I'm afraid. The rest of the nations are okay-ish. France is a bit grumpy with me. But I got a lot of money to spend, so I can do that if necessary. Not required this turn. Good. Improve relations. Yes. Yes. Small guns, what are we getting? Ooh, 6-inch Mark IV. Now that is starting to get interesting. Also, double-geared steam turbines. Yes, please. And I'm holding off on adding new ships to the line right now until these girls, although a lot of ships are coming off the line next turn, might as well build another 4. "21-inch torpedo tubes." Oh, that's not good. That is not good. Tell me, France, you're almost at war with 3 nations, so risky. I'd rather not, though. Next turn, a lot of ships come off the line. Excellent. I would prefer France to be in war with the Germans and the Austrians first, rather than with me. Economical growth is slowing down a bit. A lot of ships are being commissioned. These are the smaller 6,000 tonners. Okay, back in the positives. Oh, come on! Game, you hate me right now, don't you? Limited control, give me as much money as possible, we're gonna need it. Plus 300 million. Yeah, we're closing in on the 80 ships again. They're scrapping the Bismarck, Mecklenburg, Guben. A lot of ships are being scrapped lately. And the Dutch would like a new modern cruiser, sure. Damn, that was with Russia. Also happy to improve that relation, but France is the relation that I care most about right now. In case of a war with France, yeah, as you can see, a lot of my ports are still undefended. Yes, I have some 2 fleets lying around for offensive action, but 95 ships in total, including the ones that are being built, of course. With that, I'm gonna fast forward a bit. I think. Am I though? Now let's wait and see. It's also part of the game, you know. Wait and see. I need to be at least back up to, say, 110 ships before I can deal with France, I think. And it will be hard, because the French will just steamroll Spain, I fear. Oh, thank God. Oh, that is huge. That is huge. We're not there yet, though. We're getting there, though. We're getting there. Look at that. 40 ships, 60, 100. Yeah, it's France that really has a very... Well, and the United States, of course. Britain, 200 ships. Man. That'll be a target eventually. Let's get a new dockyard built. The new engines. Ooh, cruiser tech. What are we getting? Nothing. So, the Goitos. We cannot build them anymore. Can we somehow get you to 36 knots? Frankly, I think the answer is no. No, I think it's time to scrap them. Yep, I'm gonna scrap the Goitos. Wanted to keep them earlier in case of a war, but by now I have so many ships again, I feel a bit more confident that I can defend myself. So I can get rid of these last older ships. Delete design. Ooh, you can mass mothball these days. Okay, well, let's offer them up for sale first. These are still relatively modern ships. New design. Experimental lights and modern lights is all we are having. And if we go very small, I mean, we got some very big ships now. I think we can design a small ship that's fast to build. I think that will be useful now, ladies and gentlemen. However, you will have to tune in next episode to see what kind of small ship with a small build time, short build time I should say, we shall design. Until then, take care.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor.